You failed all your field sobriety, ma'am.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Girl,
Oh my God, I did not.
Want to get some oxygen or something first real quick?
Yes.
I don't know if you know, your hands around your back for me.
No!
Yeah,
Yeah, you're under arrest.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
And she became the first American to win the Olympic women's all-around gold medal. Her name was Mary Lou Retton. They put her face on the Wheaties box. They called her America's sweetheart. She was 16 years old, and the entire country loved her. 41 years later, in the same town where she was born, the same woman stood in the parking lot of an AutoZone on the Gateway Connector in Fairmont, West Virginia. It was nighttime. She was 57 years old. She had an oxygen tank strapped to her back. She had a screw-top bottle of wine in the passenger seat of her white Porsche, and a police officer was asking her to walk in a straight line. "I'm an Olympic gold medalist," she told him. "I can do balance beam." She could not walk in a straight line.
Yeah, mine's in my other car. Okay.
No, I can't find it.
Okay, leave your phone there. I'm going to run you through some field sobriety tests, okay?
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know. But we have to.
Seriously? Alright.
I'm clear from your shop.
Alright, let's walk over here to this line, okay?
Alright. I'm on the balance beam.
I want to be clear from the stop at AutoZone. We test this for a few minutes.
You should be pretty good at this, huh?
Yeah! I mean, upside down.
Yeah? Alright. So, what I want you to do is put your feet together, hands down to your side for me, okay? I want you to stay in that position. Do you have any head or back injuries?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, God.
Anything that would prevent you from driving?
Metal
Metal all over?
all over.
Okay. What I want you to do is using your eyes, I want you to watch my finger, okay? Don't move your head, just follow with your eyes, alright? Do me a favor, don't move your head, okay? Keep your head right there. Do me a favor, keep your head in the middle, just follow with your eyes. Keep following. Okay. Follow my finger.
You're making me feel like I see it.
You see it? Okay. This is just a test. You just keep following it.
The Fairmont Police Department received a call about a white Porsche with Texas license plates driving all over the roadway, heading toward downtown. Officers located the vehicle in the parking lot of the AutoZone on the Gateway Connector. When they approached, they found Mary Lou Retton behind the wheel. The smell of alcohol was immediate. Her words were slurred, her eyes were glassy, and sitting in the passenger seat, in plain view, was a screw-top bottle of wine, not hidden, not in a bag, not in the trunk, on the seat, next to the oxygen tank that the woman who almost died of pneumonia 2 years earlier carried with her everywhere.
See it? See it?
Okay. Keep following my finger.
Look at your beautiful blue eyes.
Oh, well, thank
Sorry.
you. It's okay.
Okay?
Okay. And then, same thing, alright, but we're going to go up and down this time, okay? Just using your eyes, follow my finger.
I mean, this is ridiculous. Okay?
Okay. This next test, okay? It's called the walk and turn test,
Yeah.
alright?
No, I can do this.
So, we're going to use this straight line right here, okay? And I'm going to explain it to you and demonstrate for you, okay? 220 Fairmont. If I didn't advise, I'm going to be out field sobriety. Alright.
Yeah, break.
Go ahead.
Stop.
She has something through Texas, but it's in the place in another state. We're trying to find it still.
Seriously.
10-4. If you need your oxygen, you can carry it. I'm not going to make you take it off.
10 pounds.
Well, okay. So here's what we're going to do, alright? You're going to take your right foot, put it in front of your left on that line. Okay? Oh, stay there. Let me explain the test. Take your right foot, put it in front of your left on that line, okay? Okay, go ahead and get in that position for me. Right foot in front of left. Put your hands down to your side for me.
My God.
Alright, staying in this position, okay? I'm going to explain the rest of the test, alright? So don't leave that position. You're going to take, nope, go ahead. Yes, ma'am, really.
Okay.
You're going to take 9 consecutive heel-to-toe steps, and it's going to look like this. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9 while counting out loud and looking down at your foot. When you get to 9, you're going to take a series of small steps and you're going to turn around, okay? Then you're going to take 9 consecutive heel-toe steps back. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9, okay? I did 3, you're going to do 9. While doing that, I want you to keep... No, don't start yet. While doing that, I want you to keep your hands down to your side. I want you to not jump, don't step off the line. It's going to be heel to toe. Touch your heel to your toe, okay? And I want you to count out loud. I know. Okay, well, let's heel to toe, okay?
1, 2,
Keep your hands down to your side.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Listen, I know, but we got to go through the steps. So here's another test, okay? It's called the one-leg stand test, all right? If you want to get some oxygen or something first real quick, I don't know if you know.
She performed all 3 standardized field sobriety tests. She performed them while wearing supplemental oxygen. At one point during the testing, the officer paused to allow her to use her oxygen tank because she appeared to be in respiratory distress. Even with that accommodation, she failed all 3. Every test designed to measure impairment confirmed what the wine bottle and the slurred speech had already established.
No, I knew it.
Okay, go ahead and get some oxygen real quick. Okay. So put your feet together for me on that same line.
Back around the AutoZone.
Hands down to your side for me, okay?
Yeah.
Go ahead and fix what you got to fix real quick. I'm not going to... Yeah, no. If you need to fix something or do something, go for it.
Fairmont 236.
Okay. Go ahead and put your feet together for me. Hands down to your side.
Yeah.
Using either foot, okay? It doesn't
I'll
matter.
let you know.
You're gonna... Let me explain it first.
We're not located in any other state.
I want you to take your either foot, okay? You're going to lift it up and you're going to count 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so forth until I tell you to stop, okay? It's going to be about approximately 6 inches off the ground, all right? You're going to look...
Higher.
I don't need it any higher, approximately 6
1,
inches.
2.
Hold on, wait till I begin. I tell you to begin.
God.
You're going to look down at your foot and you're going to count out loud while doing that. Don't hop around and don't lift your arms for balance, okay?
Okay.
Wait till I tell you to begin.
Oh my God.
You may begin whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh God.
Keep trying.
5, 6, 7.
Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop.
Oh, come on.
Keep going.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I didn't say. I said 1001, 1002 until you stop. No. Here, I'll go through it again. Then we can try it again, and I'll explain it all again to you. Okay?
No,
So what you're gonna
you don't
do
need to explain to me.
is you're gonna lift your foot up approximately 6 inches off the ground. Okay? You're gonna count 1001, 1002, 1003,
Okay.
and so forth
336.
until I tell you to stop. Okay?
Good.
Do you understand?
I'm sure just call
Okay.
if you have anything for me, then it's off.
Leaving your hands down to your side. Wait till I tell you to
Yeah,
begin.
well, we have-
Leaving your hands down to your
Police
side.
are under arrest right now.
The officer then asked her to submit to a portable breath test. This is the breathalyzer, the machine that measures blood alcohol content. It is the definitive piece of evidence in a DUI investigation, and Mary Lou Retton refused. "They say don't blow," she told the officer. She did not specify who they were. The officer informed her that refusing a breathalyzer in West Virginia carries its own penalty, an automatic license revocation.
I'm
Charges, but some are NCIC.
leaving your hands down to your side, okay?
I'll let you know when it's
I'll
here.
tell you when to begin, all right? You may begin.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Do you need oxygen first?
Maybe.
Okay, get some of your oxygen real quick. If you need to sit for a second or...
No.
Okay.
I mean, seriously.
Yes, ma'am. Seriously. Miss Retton, do you have your driver's license on you anywhere?
No, I've got a passport.
You don't even have the license?
No, it's in Texas.
Yo, your driver's license in Texas?
Yeah.
But you just don't have it with you?
I don't have it right
Okay, that's...
now. It's valid.
All right.
236 Fairmont. She's advising me through Texas.
Keep going until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Count out loud for me.
9 seconds? Come on.
I didn't say 9 seconds. I said till I stop.
Dude,
Okay,
please.
okay, it doesn't say. Well, actually,
Oh
it
my
was a
God.
driver's license that expired in 2015.
No, it's not. Is
Okay,
it
well,
mine?
we'll figure that out in a second. I mean, this is the last time I'm going to have you restart the test, okay?
Oh my God. Really?
Yep, you're going to count out loud until I tell you to stop, okay? You may begin whenever you're ready.
No, I can't do it.
You can't do it?
Maybe the other side. No, I can't do it.
Okay, that's fine. I understand. You've got oxygen. You've got other stuff going on. I understand.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Once you get over the turn,
Oh my God.
You can put your shoes back on, yep.
she shows clear, just doesn't have a
What?
valid operator, doesn't say if it's valid or not, just expired.
Hey, deep breath, Mr. Retton. Is your last name Taylor now?
No.
I thought, what was your last name?
Kelly.
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 Retton
Yeah, I heard
Kelly.
Taylor.
Can you call Gino?
Maybe. We'll see here in a little bit.
Come on. I just came to get my nails done.
Okay.
Stand by, I'll have to look back. I wasn't able to get it right whenever he did.
Oh my God.
Don't go back in the driver's seat.
No.
Nope.
I don't want that.
I'm going to go ahead and shut your door, okay?
It's fine.
Oh, well.
No, I'm not going to blow. They say don't blow.
Well, you're required to blow, or else that's an additional charge.
Whatever.
I'm just letting you know.
Whatever.
You refusing to blow?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, as the reality of the situation began to settle in, she looked at the young officer standing in front of her and said, "You're too young to know who I am." He was. He probably was. The 1984 Olympics happened 41 years before this traffic stop.
You guys are crazy.
236. Got 220 got out there in 1906, called field sobriety in 1917, currently 1923.
Please?
She's refusing to blow.
You gonna refuse?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
How was the field sobriety?
She failed all of it.
What?
You failed all your field sobriety, ma'am.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Girl,
Oh my
210,
God,
good.
I did not. I did not.
Did you have EMS come out?
Come on. Come on.
Not feeling too good.
I'm going to call you.
You can call him later.
No.
Negative.
You don't want to call him now?
I want to call him now.
No, that's not how this works. Sorry.
Oh my God.
I said I'm truly sorry. I'm truly sorry. I'm going through this too. You know, if I could avoid this, I would. But
No, you're not.
you're.
No, you're not. Come on.
At this point, blowing. If you blow all zeros, you know we can do something else. But
Would you want to get your
if-
blood taken?
Why?
because if you refuse to blow, I have to get a search warrant and do a blood draw.
Unless you volunteer for it.
Call Gino, please.
It's
Gino doesn't have jurisdiction in Fairmont.
there's no.
Where is he? Whitehall?
Yep.
Oh, this is Fairmont. That's kind of the problem we have here.
So what do we do?
Well,
You can
Your
blow.
options are to provide us a roadside breath sample, which, in all honesty, you don't have to. Regardless,
No, I
you're
don't.
Regardless, you're going to be arrested for suspicion of DUI.
Yep.
Secondly, we're going to go to.
I'm going to go to jail?
I didn't say that. I said we have to get a sample of your breath either on station, and if you refuse there, we have to get a search warrant for your blood. So that your options are either provide us with a secondary blood sample at the or a breath sample at the office, or we get a search warrant for your blood. It's up to you.
Oh
Regardless,
my
you're going to
God.
get arrested for a DUI.
No, I'm not.
Unfortunately, that's the case.
Mary Lou Retton was placed under arrest for driving under the influence, first offense. Handcuffs went on. She was walked to the back of a police cruiser, and as the door opened and the reality of what was happening became undeniable, she said 2 words that captured the disbelief of a woman who could not reconcile where she was with who she believed she was.
I'll be as cooperative with you as you are with us, but and as respectful to you as you are to us. But
Oh my God.
we have to do our job, Miss Kelly.
Oh my goodness.
Go ahead.
Really?
Sorry. All right,
Oh my
man.
God.
Do you want to pick up your oxygen and keep it with you?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Please, I need it.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and put your hands around your back for me.
No!
Yeah,
you're under arrest.
Yeah, you're
Miss
under
Retton,
arrest.
Miss Retton, take a deep breath. This is not.
No, I'm not!
No, don't be hitting. Come on, this will be fine. This
Oh my God.
No.
No.
Miss Retton, please don't.
Oh my God.
Do you have any reason that your hands can't be behind your back?
Never. Yeah,
What?
I got
What's that?
8 surgeries on my shoulders.
Okay, put her in her front
Okay.
then.
Thank you.
We'll be, like I said, we'll work with you if you're cooperative.
Okay, let go of your hand.
Are you kidding me?
I have
No.
no choice, Miss Retton. That's
And
our
I'm
job.
in West Virginia.
I know.
No, you don't know. Oh my God!
All right.
Gia!
It's
They think I'm drunk.
Are you?
No!
She just came from getting her nose.
Exactly!
okay. Well, come with me.
Oh my God! No!
You're coming with me. Please don't make this any harder.
Oh my
Please don't
God!
make it any harder.
Oh my God!
Come on.
Come on, Miss Retton.
Just got off both maps for getting
Oh
your
my
call.
God.
You're already.
Oh my God! In Fairmont,
Yes,
West Virginia.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Go ahead and have a seat for me.
Wow.
Watch your head.
No.
Okay.
Mary Lou Retton was charged with driving under the influence, first offense. She was released on a $1,500 personal recognizance bond. On June 10th, she released a statement expressing regret and taking full responsibility for her actions. And then she appeared in court and entered a plea of no contest.